So the story of this facility is quite a long one, but folks may know that previously had a shop named Luscious Garage, and that was a great shop, and we had a lot of fun there. But we kind of realized that we needed to make a change. And when we were going to make a change, we said, well, we don't need to make a small change. Let's make a big change. Let's change everything that's not working with this business. And one of the key aspects was the way that the shop was flowing and the resources that we had in that shop. And so obviously moving a shop's a really big deal. So we thought, oh, we're going to rebrand. We're going to start focusing on EVs. Now's a great time to really kind of make a big change also in our facility. And that's how we wound up here. This building was actually occupied by Lyft, the ride-sharing company, which I had previously done business with through my time at Shopware. And so I was already familiar with the business and the layout that they had set up here, which was fairly unique. And actually the gentleman that was involved with that project ran Earthling for a period of time. So he and I were the co-founders for this business. And actually he's moved on. He's now working for Amazon running their fleet of trucks. So we're hoping to get some of those Rivians in here someday soon. Anyway, was familiar with this business, and they decided that they didn't want to be in the auto repair business anymore. They were going to focus on their core competency. They were letting the space go.